Good morning, dear students. This is Vijay Lakshmi here, your business studies teacher. Nowadays, we are doing topic motivation. Under motivation, we are doing various types of incentives given to the employees. Already we have done monetary incentives. Today we will discuss non-monetary or non-financial incentives. These incentives are not directly linked with money. These are actually in the form of mental reward to the employees, and these incentives help in satisfying social esteem and self-actualization needs of the employees, and middle and top level employees are satisfied by these incentives. Various types of incentives are, first one is status. Status means everyone wants higher status in the organization. Position, it and status means position or rank or designation in the organization, and whenever there is increase in the rank, it leads to increase in authorities of the employees. They get more powers and of course more responsibilities, and when status of any of the employees increased, he is promoted to the next designation, any other rank, he will get more facilities, more powers, and obviously more responsibilities also. And this type of incentive fulfills psychological, social and esteem related needs. Second type of non-financial incentive is organizational climate. Organizational climate means working environment in the organization. Employees, if they get freedom while doing their work, there is receipt of awards in the organization. Employees can be motivated by providing such type of environment, such type of climate in the organization. If there is not much rigidity, no atmosphere of suspense, they will be motivated to do the work. Next type of non-monetary incentive is career advancement opportunity. Career advancement opportunity means to send the employees to join training and development programs like seminars, workshops, etc. And it is a gateway for promotion. Promotion is not non-financial incentive. When employees are sent for developmental programs, it means they are making their employees ready for taking more responsibilities in future, means they are making them ready to be promoted. So it is very good non-monetary incentive. Whenever avenues for promotion are available, these employees feel motivated. Next one is job enrichment. Job enrichment means increasing the importance of job. It means to make the employees realize that he or she is doing very important work. Whatever work is being done by the employee, to make them realize that the work done by them is very important, and the employee is given more authorities, more responsibilities, which needs higher level of skill. Means उसके बाद उन्हें और भी ज़्यादा responsibilities इस तरह से कह के दे दी जाती हैं. When employees are given more challenging job, they feel proud in getting such work. And so job enrichment increases interest in the work and it leads to motivation. Next type of non-financial incentive is employee empowerment. Employee empowerment means और ज़्यादा powers दे देना employees को, to give more freedom to employees to take decisions. When decision taking power increases, employees feel confident and motivated. And next is employees participation in managerial activities. बेटा फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव में हमने किया था को पार्टनरशिप एंड स्टॉक ऑप्शन, ठीक है, वहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट डिसीजंस में उनको लिया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे उनको लिया मैनेजीरियल एक्टिविटीज़ में. जो भी मैनेजर्स इंपॉर्टेंट अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ करनी होती हैं, दे आस्क द सजेशंस ऑफ देयर एम्प्लॉयज़. When subordinates are encouraged by their superiors to participate in managerial work and give their suggestion, they feel motivated. वहाँ पे बेटा जो था हमारा फाइनेंशियल में, वहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट डिसीजंस में उनको वोटिंग राइट मिलता है. यहाँ पे रूटीन की मैनेजीरियल एक्टिविटीज़ में जो उनके सुपीरियर हैं, दे आस्क फॉर देयर सजेशंस. सबॉर्डिनेट्स फील मोटिवेटेड व्हेन their cooperation is offered in making policies for the organization. And last one, non-financial incentive is job security. Job security means feeling of permanence and stability in the organization. Whenever anyone works at any organization, there is always fear or loss of job, so which troubles the employees and they cannot concentrate on their work. If organization assures that his or her job is secure and he or she won't be removed from the job, employees can work with easy mind and they can utilize their full potential. When employees feel that their job is secure, they feel motivated. So all these are non-monetary incentives. I hope it is clear to you now, and you can go through the differences between monetary and non-monetary incentives from the book itself. It's very easy, right? Thank you very much. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.